Good morning, guys. Let's go. Welcome to the live stream. There was the opening bell. Man, the market today was pretty wild. It ran up a little bit in pre-market. Now it's been slowly but surely coming right back down. For today, there's a big area to watch, and that's going to be 455 and 456 on the SPY. More specifically, I would say like 456.50 on the SPY to the upside. You can see that that's right where we bounced in pre-market, circling it in blue. Also yesterday, tons of hits right around that same exact area. So we're going to be watching that area overhead very, very closely. To the downside, I'm going to really watch 455. You know, there's a lot of ways that, SPY might be moving today. It looks like right now it's starting to pop up a little bit off of 455. Now, one thing I have to say, guys, and I want to go out on a daily chart of SPY really quick, because I don't want anybody to get necessarily the wrong idea today. Today could be a recovery day. It really could. The market could end up ripping. Let's go look at a couple other times on this uptrend, like right here on November 9th. Look at how the market had a huge, huge red day. What happened the day after? Great recovery, right? And then big breakout ended up coming in. That could be what happens today. Now, it might take a while till Tesla starts popping off end of day or something like that, but I am still keeping that uptrend in the back of my mind. I think that's important for a lot of people to do right now. It's very easy to flip to the bear side, right? Especially when you have chop like this, but I need to be more convinced than just, this little drop that we've had. So I really want to see, like, if I'm going to play SPY to the downside, I really need to see like a solid move under 455 for a quick scalp. And honestly, like, if we want to say that SPY is going on a good downtrend, I mean, I would almost think it needs to get under 452, 454 at least. So we're not even close to that yet. So I'm going to keep my eyes on this very, very closely today with the SPY itself. Now, obviously, there's going to be a bunch of individual stocks running all over the place. Snapchat is actually up 8% today. Holy snap. Whoa. Whoa. Snap is seriously exploding, guys. Whoa. Seriously, guys, Snapchat is on fire right now. Up 8% here. Man, sorry, guys. That came out of nowhere. Still feeling it today. Sorry about that. Smash that like button, though, guys. Thanks for joining up. But yeah, go Snapchat. Great move, up 8.9% there. Holy shit. I don't know what the hell. I gotta see the news. Let's see this. Jeffries upgrades Snap to buy, raises price target to 16 from 12. Nice. Jeffries is a pretty big firm. That's huge. Man, Snap, what a run today. Pinterest is also following Snap. Kind of interesting to see. Ooh, let's see. Someone's looking for support on Tesla. Let's go zoom out here. Let's find it. Oh, yeah. Short-term support right around 242-ish. Ooh. I really like 238 to 240 next. Yeah, I'm watching. Wow, that's crazy, guys. Wow, they now have the rate cuts being priced into May, I think Manny just posted in Discord. Let's check that out. If that's true, that's going to be pretty cool. Nice. Yeah, May is now set to be cut for sure. The percentages are definitely swinging higher that side. Honestly, they're almost going towards a 50 basis point cut, but that's kind of strange. We'll have to see how these numbers continue to play out here over the next few days. But wow, what a crazy turn of events, right? Now we're having cuts in May starting. I know it was June, May kept flipping around, but now it looks like May is pretty priced in. So interesting there, but keep in mind they are looking to pause until May. At least at the March one, that one might even flip to cut soon. So that's pretty insane, honestly. Pretty insane. But yeah, looking at Tesla right now, it's starting to come down pretty hard. This morning, wow, big sell-off into the event. Pretty freaky. Whoa. That's not good to see, guys. Not good to see at all. Woo. Not good. Big drop, though, by Tesla here. And don't worry, guys. We'll be going over more about the Cybertruck event coming up. Don't you worry. We'll be talking a lot more about it here after we get over this initial price action kind of coming in. So, pretty big. Pretty big. It should break. I'm hoping that Tessie can break this channel. Let's scroll down a little bit on that daily. Let's see. Tessie. Got to get to that hourly, I guess. It's not showing me those intraday candles. Might be some support around 240 as well. I'm not seeing as many hits around 240 though lately. Yeah. Mainly I'm seeing a lot of the hits coming in around like 238, so weird. Let's see how Tessie goes though today. I bet it's gonna chop around. Wonder how low it could really go today, though. This big area, though, 238 down here, I just marked it in red. I'm going to draw a blue line on it. That's really, like, where I think Tesla could get to today if it breaks 240. I've seen so many bounces around this 238 area. Man, SPY really got under 455 now, guys. There we go. Got the big breakdown coming in. Not good at all. TLT is falling back. US 10Y is starting to pop. And hey, let's actually go look at US 10Y, guys, because I know that a lot of you guys were making a lot of plays off this as we were riding the wave up and etc. You know, making plays off the market because of it. Right now, look at US 10Y, guys. So US 10Y is the 10-year bond yield. Whenever we saw this thing run up over the past 6 months to a year, it's been following a very solid trend, okay? I mean, honestly, over the past couple years, following a great trend to the upside. Look at all the solid bounces. Now we're actually getting extremely close again, while we are right on key support on US 10Y. If this keeps popping up now short term, and let's say we get 3 to 4 green days come in here, and US 10Y starts to uptrend back to like 4.6, 4.7 or something like that, we might actually see the market dip down pretty damn good. So I'm watching that very, very, very closely today. We got under 455, which was the first big support I was watching. I have it marked in those red arrows right here. That's the first big area, and then we're starting to see significant selling come in now now since that broke. So make sure you guys are watching this. There was a scalping opportunity there if you were a very, very quick scalper under that support. But keep an eye on the SPY because it's getting towards that low of yesterday, right around 454 to 454.20. It could end up bouncing back up there, but great little pop down there. I'll take that move. Not bad. What's up, guys? Hope everyone's having a good morning. Rick, Join the trading floor. Nice. Welcome. Welcome. If you need anything, send me a private message on Discord, Rick. Send me a message and I will help you out to the best of my abilities. How's Snap again though, man? Snapchat was insane earlier. Still looking pretty good, trying to get back to the upside a little bit more. I'll be honest, guys, with Tesla, oh, 240. Uh-oh. Man, 240 really broke. Wow, 240 had a big break there. I'm surprised. On the book map, there was actually some fairly good support at 240. Huh. I'm surprised that it didn't pop up a little bit more. Interesting. Come on, load. It's trying. It's importing the data, guys. Just give it a second. I'm surprised 240 broke like that. Ooh, look at this. Look at that big stack coming in at 239.94, just under 240 now again. Interesting, interesting. I really thought 240 would hold up a little bit better, so it makes sense. Hopefully it starts bouncing back up at least a little bit, Surprised. Thought that was gonna... It could still bounce up a little bit, but man, it definitely broke. Interesting. Yep, Tesla definitely having a weird day today ahead of that Cybertruck event, that's for sure. That is for sure. I think that once the event actually happens, that might be where the market really starts to pop off, right? Once we see it actually come out. Guys, SniperBot just put out a play. Make sure you go hit this one up. It's AMD. Advanced Micro Devices. Man, AMD right on support. Interesting. Today might be the day where the continuations really start to come through. The market's been so choppy lately that it's been hard for these continuations to really play out. During different times, there's better breakouts than other times, right? Like, for example, like lately, there hasn't been a ton of continuations because the market's been starting to chop over the past couple weeks. But, for example, whenever the market was ripping up, like, back in, like, May, June, July, continuations were the way to go, right? So just keep that in mind today. We're sitting like right at support with the AMD. Honestly, it might be smart to make it break below like 122. I would look at 122 even maybe for an entry here, you know? It's really, really close to the SniperBot entry anyways, and if you just wait for 122 to break, bam, catch it on that quick drop, and boom, there you go. Looks like it might actually break right now, so if you haven't entered yet, eye up that entry on SniperBot in case 122 does break. I would target maybe 121.50 first and then 121. I have both of those areas as key supports, but here it goes. There it goes, guys, starting to break down. Let's go. Getting that continuation. Yes. Good shit, guys. Good shit. Let's go. There it is. AMD. Breaking. That's awesome. I knew today was something else. I was like, today might be continuation day because it's been too choppy, right? We need to see some good continuations finally. Let's see, SPY. Why don't I see the sniper bot alert? I don't know. It's in alert stream. It's in market analysis. You should see it, Jason, as long as you're in like the right channels. Yeah, check out hashtag alert stream, hashtag market analysis. That's where sniper bot alerts get posted every single time. So they should be there. You might need to restart Discord or something if it's not working, or maybe you have like an arrow click down, like next to the trading floor. Make sure you click the arrow down so you can see everything. Although you should see alert stream anyways. Oh no, you do have to click the arrow down. That's probably what it is. Hey, sounds good, Manny. Have a good day. Stay safe out there, man. Stay safe. When is Cybertruck? Kevin said 3 p.m. Eastern time, Kevin. 3 p.m. Eastern time. SQ. Ooh, Sean sold his SQ shares. Made 50%. Nice, Sean. Very, very nice. How's DraftKings starting to consolidate more? Disney. Uh-oh. Penn Gaming. Downtrend time for these stocks, it looks like. Good shit, though, Sean. Great moves. Claps all around. Let's go back to AMD really quick. Man, good move under that support. Let's go. Let's go. That's a good sign today. I made a quick 20 bucks on that sniper bot play. Should I have held longer? I mean, probably longer, yeah. But if you made a quick scalp play and that was part of your strategy, like low key, not bad. I mean, you know, 20 bucks is, you know, I know like when you think about it, you're like, oh, that's only like 2 McRibs or something, right? But hey, you know, it's 20 bucks is 20 bucks, you know, if you're doing a quick scalp, depending on account size and all that. I don't know, but I feel like AMD's having a pretty good move down today. Finally, these tech stocks are turning over. It took long enough. Coin's also down. No. Not coin. Sorry, guys. This coughing sucks. Brutal today. I'm definitely feeling a lot better, though. Just like the cough will not go away. But I'm feeling way better minus that. Here he goes with the McRibs. I might have to pick one up today, man. They sound really good. We actually picked up some Texas Roadhouse for dinner last night. I had to get a ribeye. That's what it was. The Fort Worth ribeye from TXRH. They actually have a stock, if you guys didn't know, Texas Roadhouse. It's actually a really good stock when you zoom out. It's pretty nuts how good it is. Wow, thinking of Texas Roadhouse, it's starting to trend back down a little bit on that daily, but it's all right. So is the SPY a little bit. All right, so SPY is now sitting at 454. Okay, right around that low of yesterday. Maybe this will be where it bounces up. I expect a slight uptrend, but I'll still be watching for 454 to break now. That would be pretty cool if we could get under there today. I'm curious what happens here. Tessie starting to recover back ever so slightly. Let's see. Snapchat. Okay. How's AMD? All right. Still under support. Here's what we need to see with AMD. Well, I'm hoping that it stays under this support, right? Like, it needs to hit and reject off of this. That would be perfect if it did that. Now, does price action go perfect every time? No. So give or take a little bit, but definitely keeping my eyes on that today. I always get the Fort Worth ribeye. Nice, Rick. Me too, usually. Sometimes I like the prime rib there, though, too. Sometimes. I seem to find plays that can make me money or lose money, of course, but if it makes me money, I might hold too long and lose money. I feel you there, Xbox. I feel you there. Uh-oh. All right, AMD. Come on, reject here soon. 122.50 maybe? There we go. Watching this one close. Hey, Jason, let me know if you found the alerts. I want to make sure you're all good, Jason. Let me make sure you're all good. Sean says corn. Oh, no, Sean, not the corn. The corn ETV. Is this a good time of the year for corn, Sean? Does corn usually rise in price around the wintertime? Man, I need to go get my... I need to go find my book on commodities trading again. And read about the seasonality with corn. I actually read this book on commodity trading. I don't know if you guys will be interested in it. It's Carly Garner Commodities. Here's the book. Right here. Higher probability commodities trading. One of the first books I read because I was so into futures, but higher probability commodity trading. She goes over a lot about the seasonality in these commodities and a bunch of shit that's involved, like countries, seasonalities. Man, you name it. It's a little bit of an older book now, I guess, but still not too bad. All right, AMD, what you doing here? Man. AMD's scaring me. Almost looks like almost seems like an inverse head and shoulders pattern going on. I sure hope not. Make sure you guys keep your stops in check. You know, one thing to keep in mind is if you do get stopped out, make sure that you keep AMD on your radar for a possible re-entry if that bottom does break. But try to keep your stop in a good spot so that when this baby turns over, you can get it better. Jason said, can you show me in Discord? I'm not seeing it. Yeah, so here, Jason, here we go. I have it up on the screen right now. Look on the left side at the channels. Bam, right here. Market analysis. Boom. It's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th channel from the top. On the trading floor tab, alert stream is the 3rd from the top. So, like, we got the alert stream here. AMD market analysis right there. We post in here every morning. Make sure that you guys check these channels out. Seriously, guys. We have stats on how many people read these things. Come on, guys. Like, so many people don't put time into learning it. Like, just put some time in, guys. It'll help you out so much. Seriously. But that's where they are, Jason, for you. Snowflake, Mike said. Let's see. SNOW. Yeah, Snowflake looks a little rough today. I don't think I'll be playing that one, unfortunately. It had a great run yesterday. Maybe if it can break that high of yesterday around 194, I'll be a little bit happier with it, but... Hey, for sure, Jason. Hey, it is under trading floor too. Alert stream, Jason. Alert stream. It's posted in both spots, so people don't get confused. We posted up twice because we figured a lot of premium members, they would want to look at alert stream instead of market analysis. So that's kind of why we did that. Just so no one missed it, right? Didn't want anyone to miss it. I just like the chart. And besides, corn's the best ticker. That's funny. That's funny. Yeah, AMD starting to trend up now a little bit more. Interesting. Still keeping an eye on it though. Maybe that SPY can start to trend back down. Let's see. I think SPY is actually on a trend line right now. Not a big one, but a small intraday line. Ryan said, what's the AMD book map? Guess I'll check it out. Once it loads, there it goes. It always has to import that historical data if you set it to do that. This is what it looks like. Huh. Yeah, 121, 121.75, 122 all have quite a bit of sellers stacking. Not a ton though. It's not too exciting on there today. That support started to give out. I'm guessing 120 even is the... Okay, so 120 even is really the big spot to watch. Hang on, guys. I'll be right back. Sorry, guys, you know the drill. Couldn't help it. Sorry about that. Go back to Tessie real quick. I'm curious. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Come on, SPY. What are you going to do? You going to break out here back to the upside? Or are you going to dip for us? Obviously, a dip would be best here. Yes, QQQ coming down. Yes, this gives me confidence for AMD, guys. Good confidence now that the market's dropping. That makes me so happy to see, guys. So happy to see. I was getting really worried for a minute there, but I'm really glad that this is looking good now. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, QQQ. Keep up that downtrend. Come on. Keep that going for us. Nobody wants to see you rip up today, I promise. I'm just kidding. I'm sure a lot of people do. No, Jason, it's not too late. Not too late at all, Jason. Not too late. It's a little bit scary because it's kind of holding support, but I'm glad that the market keeps ripping down here. That's a great sign. If QQQ can get under the low of day, that's going to probably open the floodgates here. So we really need to see the SPY and the QQQ get back down there. The entry's definitely still available. Just keep a stop loss, man. You know, you got to have a good plan going in. You got to get in. You got to have a stop loss somewhere so you can buy and then hold the play and just let it go. Not every play is going to win, so you just got to respect that stop loss and, you know, let the play work out, right? Just because a couple sniper bot plays didn't do well or, you know, something like that does not mean to change any strategy or anything like that. It goes the same whenever sniper bot does amazing, right? Like, sniper bot will win 5 times in a row, and people will say, oh, well, I didn't play any of those 5, so I'm gonna go all into this one now because it's hot or something. And then it's like, oh boy, you know. QQQ broke the level. Nice, there it is. Holy shit, what a good candle, guys. Yes, that's exactly what we needed right there. Come on, AMD, get under there for us. Let's go. Get under there. Will Tesla fall more? Diego's asking. You know, Diego, I'll be honest. With the event today, there's no point in guessing that one. No point, man. That event is going to make this one go whack. I would think the event makes it rise, but not totally sure. I'll be honest with you guys, and I'll just go over what I think's gonna happen later, because now's the time to talk about the Cybertruck event. Let me get a poll up really quick about it. Tesla. Can't wait to see how you guys vote on this. All right, guys, vote up in the poll, and we'll go ahead and talk about Tesla now. See exactly what we're looking at. So with Tesla, I'm actually watching a daily chart very closely here, and I've talked about this a little bit. I hope that you guys have caught this on the daily. If not, you guys need to pay attention. Seriously, these trend lines are key to the stocks, to the stock market. Man, they are key. I'm telling you. There can be great buying opportunities based off trend lines, etc. You can find great dips, good times to buy on breakouts. Like, let's go look at Zoom, you know, just as an example, right? Like ZM, just now breaking out of its trend. Like, you know, this is probably a good buying point, so it can start to, you know, explode up off that trend, right? As we get the big breakout. We've seen it happen a ton of times, so I'm watching Tesla with this event so closely with the trend because that event is going to make the trend probably break or reject, obviously. So what I'm thinking is Tesla's going to do well on this one. People have been waiting for this Cybertruck event for years, guys. Years. I think that the Cybertruck will be the resurgence for Tesla. I know a lot of people out there, they really think that Tesla will suck, right? Like, there's a lot, like, if you go ask, like, you know, I don't want to call anybody specific out, but, like, you know, like if you go ask, like, people who like fundamental analysis, or people who try to find good values on companies and stuff, they'll say Tesla's way too high, way too overextended, way too overvalued, yada, yada, yada. Let's be real, guys. People buy stocks up for their future valuations, okay? That's the point, right? Now, of course, there's always a point where things get too high. I get it. But this Cybertruck could spur in a ton of growth into Tesla, okay? We gotta realize, like, this truck could make the Model S and the Model 3 look like dog shit. You know, especially as far as profit and revenue go. Now, I'm not totally sure on that yet, right? We'll have to see how the numbers come out. But when I look at this daily chart, I'm watching this trend. If this event tonight goes well and this trend starts breaking up, I don't know how high Tesla could get, but it'll be a solid break. I would think short term at least up to 300 bucks. When I say short term, maybe over the next couple weeks to few weeks, I'd say 300 bucks or so is realistic. A lot of people might say, Tom, that's way too high, $300. I mean, Tesla jumped from 150 to 300 in a month and a half earlier this year. So, you know, keep that in mind. This stock can definitely move pretty wild. This is a very hyped up event. People have been waiting for this truck for a long time. It kind of reminds me of like the Tesla Roadster event. Whenever they came out with the Roadster and then Tesla popped off that a little bit. That was kind of cool, but maybe they'll flop. You know, I'm curious how you guys vote up in the poll, because there's a lot that could go into this. Like, what if they have the trucks and they're overpriced and no one wants to buy them, you know? Like, they come out at like 100 grand or something and people are like, well, that's overpriced or something, right? Angel said, my guess is that the price will be very high on the truck, so probably not the best time to launch. Well, Angel, I mean, what's very high to you, Angel? Answer me that question. Like, what's very high? Because, like, let's say I want to even go buy, like, a 2024 Dodge Ram 1500. Like, let's say I want to go get one of these. I mean, look at these prices here. I mean, we're talking 50 grand minimum or something. Like, look at these prices. Pretty much everything's, like, 60 grand. I mean, yeah, let's just pick a normal one, right? A normal one. $62,000, guys, for a normal truck. Oh, it says final price $53,000. Thank God. Thank God. I was going to say. Of course, they give those dealer discounts and all that bullshit, but like, holy shit. Just vehicles are just so expensive in general. And let's be honest, guys, like, this is like a basic truck, too. This ain't even like the nice Dodge Ram. It even has the shitty cloth seats, and it better have the touchscreen thing in the middle. Okay, it does. At least it's got the screen, so. Oh, that sucks, Xbox. Get a TRX. I know, right, Ryan? I would love a TRX, man. That would go so well next to my Hellcat. It would, man, it would look great next to it. But I don't know. I actually think that the truck event might do very, very well for Tesla. I've been waiting for this for a long time. While Tesla's been dipping, I've said it multiple times on videos, in the Discord, etc., that whenever those trucks start delivering, that's when I think Tesla will start to recover up a lot. So I'm gonna stick with what I said. Does my license plate say stocked up? No, you can actually only do 7. So STOCKEDUP. That would be 9. So I kept trying to do, Ryan, StCKDUP. I tried that, but that was taken. I tried it with an O or a 0, I mean, and then that was taken too. The license plate actually says cat. C-A-T-T-T-T. It's kind of funny. C-A-T-T-T-T. Don't worry though, I tried that. I definitely tried, Ryan. It was already taken though. I was like, who took this? Like some guy that runs a warehouse and he keeps it stocked up or something? Like, I was confused, but... What is up? Anastasia. Hope I'm saying that right. Thank you for joining up today. Cybertruck, 108 to 118K will be a good price. Wow, Joe. 108K minimum. Or, well, 108 grand. I'll say this, if it comes out at 100 grand, I think... Out of nowhere, I think it won't be as good. They've got to have an option for, like, around, like, 70 grand to 80 grand, I think, would be a good starter point, maybe. And maybe the expensive one should be, like, 100 or 110 or something. That would be better to me. The big thing is like, people are on the pre-order list. I'm on the pre-order list for this truck, right? If it comes out over like 100K, like, I'll just be real with you. I'm probably not gonna get it. For real. I would never get it if it comes out over 100K. Because if it comes out over 100K, I'm definitely getting like a Ford Raptor, or like a Ram TRX, or like a Ford Shelby truck, or something like that would be way better to me. But I don't know, if it comes in around like 75, 80 grand, something like that, I'd like it better. I mean, like, let's be real, guys. Like, let's look up used Lamborghinis. Like, guys, like, you could buy like a used Ferrari California for the same price as that truck at this point. And I know it's not a truck, but you guys get the point, right? Guys get the point. Now, I know these are the expensive Lambos. Let's do a max price of like 150,000. Make it simple. There we go. Yeah, you know, get a 2004 Gallardo. Actually, it's kind of cool. Hey, I'll be honest, guys. That actually looks kind of like the Tesla truck. This thing looks like the truck, kind of. Just a smaller, sleeked down version of it. The Tundra Pro. Yes, Ryan. You know what? That's actually what I would get, Ryan. Is probably like a Tundra TRD Pro. You're probably right. Cybertruck value based on material build. I'm on crack. Maybe I am, Jason. Who knows? Disrupting multiple overlaying markets. Yeah, I get you, Joe. That makes sense. Those materials are pretty big in there. Spy coming up off the double bottom. AMD broke its low of day momentarily. Starting to consolidate a little bit now. I'm gonna show you what a pioneer can do. What are you talking about, Anastasia? I love it. I can see that, though. The price is definitely going to be a big factor on that truck, right? That's going to be the big thing everyone's looking at. What is that price? All right, Snapchat. Here we go. Snapchat had a pretty good move today. It's starting to consolidate as a nice double bottom intraday right around 1375. Starting to look a little bit better to the upside. Ryan took profits on AMD. Nice, Ryan. I don't blame you for taking profits quick and getting out down there at all. Not a bad idea. Now that AMD is coming up like this, I am actually getting a little bit worried now. Of course, if you're still in it, guys, you're going to want to keep your stop where you have it. But I'll just say this. It seems like it's going to come up a little bit intraday, so some stops might get hit here if you didn't take profits yet, but just wanted to throw that out there because, you know, it's pretty whack setup, but make sure you keep your stop there wherever you have it. Don't be moving it around now. The future. Oh, Ryan. Okay, you're Maserati. I see. Your last name on here makes sense. I see. Yeah, I do like the Tundra a lot, Ryan. I actually really like that one. If I didn't get a really good version of a Ram, I would probably get a Tundra. I used to be a big Ford guy, actually, but I've switched over the past few years. I still love the Mustang, but I don't know. Those trucks nowadays are bothering me. Ram Charger. What is that, Jason? All right, Boeing. Nice, guys. Watch Boeing. It's sitting right at the high of day. I noticed it looking pretty damn good here. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Snapchat's actually getting called out on the surge still. Nice. I like to see that. SurgeBot calling out Snap. Let's hope this intraday support holds up on Snap. Look at this picture of corn Sean put in the Discord, guys. It's actually a pretty cool picture, not gonna lie. It's pretty sick. That's really cool. Ram Charger 100 years old. No, I didn't see that. Ram Charger 100 years old. What's that? What? Oh, I see what you're saying now. Huh. I've never heard of that. Interesting. Oh, Henry Kissinger. I see. Yeah, Kissinger. I saw that last night. Pretty crazy, you know, we're getting, all the legends are dying. We got Munger dead, Kissinger's dead. They're both, like, right around 100 years old, too. It's kind of weird. Poor Charlie Munger, guys. We watched a little tribute for him yesterday. It's pretty cool to see that. There we go, Boeing, breaking the high of day. Love to see that. Good breakout, Boeing. Good break. Continue the run, please. Continue that run. Let's see, Visa. Nothing. How are the banks today? Citigroup's not doing anything. Bank of America also not doing much at all. Oscar, I was actually thinking the same thing. I was like, wow, this comes in threes. I literally thought that same thing last night as I went to bed, Oscar. I was seriously like, who's next? You know, we have a lot of old politicians out there. Hopefully it's not one of them. Well, some of you guys probably hope it is one of them, but I digress. Ooh. Ford says that the UAW deal is going to cost them $8.8 billion over the life of their contract. That's interesting. Wow, I actually agree with what Iger says here about Disney. Iger actually just came out with something very interesting, guys. Look at this. He says the Marvel movies had little supervision and Disney has made too many sequels. I like that. I like what he says here. He said that there has to be a reason beyond commerce, which essentially means, you know, for anyone who doesn't know what that means, beyond money. You know, there's got to be more reasons besides money on why a movie would get a sequel, right? You shouldn't just push out 10,000 shitty Marvel movies, right? I'll be honest, guys. Everybody was into those movies. I've only seen like one of those. Seriously, I like refused to watch. There were too many. They were getting silly, stupid in too many ways. Like, they bothered the hell out of me, honestly. Everyone's like, oh my God, you go see Marvel Adventure 7? I'm like, no, literally, doesn't even think about it. I was thinking about Apple and Microsoft. That's what I was thinking about. But, I don't know. I love that he says, I love Iger, guys. I think he's gonna really revive Disney. It's not like Disney's gonna run up like right away, but I do think that he will revive them up a little bit. Get them back to their good, what will we say? Get them back to the forefront, right? I guess. They're still at the forefront, I guess, of, like, theme parks and, you know, kids' movies and stuff, but, you know, they gotta get themselves back into that, at least back to that point where they're, I guess, sustainable, right? And hopefully Iger quits with this politics bullshit, too. You better help. All right, let's see how that Bank of America not doing nothing. SPY. What about AMD? How we looking? Let me be right back, guys. I gotta blow my nose really, really fast. Be right back. Sorry, it's got these allergies. They're terrible. Whoa, let's go, guys. I heard the sound literally right when I went. Let's go, Joe. Joe with the 5 bomb. I love that, Mason. That's awesome. Joe, you've been awesome this week, man. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. That's awesome. I get you, Anastasia. I feel you there. They gotta reinvent entertainment. You know, the cool thing is that don't forget about these Apple headsets that are set to come out soon. Don't forget about those headsets, Anastasia. Or Anastasia. I really want to say it right. It bothers me when I say them wrong. But yeah, I'm hoping that he can help maybe with those headsets or something. Zoom's moving, Joe said. Beautiful, Joe. Beautiful. Oh, I was expecting more movement than this, though, Joe. I'm still watching that daily chart with Zoom. Let's go out to that 5-minute. Kind of rejecting off resistance a little bit, but I actually have an alert up around 69 bucks on Zoom. Yeah, so the thing with those headsets with Disney is people are like, what people might wonder, well, like what could Disney do with those headsets that would be sick, right? There's actually a lot. So let me see. Bet ESPN Apple headset. Let's see. Let's see if people talk about it. Here's what we'll watch real quick. Check this out, guys. It's pretty cool. Let me get the music muted real quick. Let's take a quick news break. Let's see this really fast, guys. Don't go anywhere. Be right back.
As the Walt Disney Company celebrates our 100th anniversary, we're proudly reflecting on our rich legacy of innovation and storytelling, while also looking to our future with enthusiasm and optimism. We're constantly in search of new ways to entertain, inform, and inspire our fans by combining extraordinary creativity with groundbreaking technology to create truly remarkable experiences. And we believe Apple Vision Pro is a revolutionary platform that can make our vision a reality. The first time I tried Apple Vision Pro, the thing that struck me the most was how it will allow us to create deeply personal experiences that bring our fans closer to the characters they love and more deeply immersed in our stories. This platform will allow us to bring Disney to our fans in ways that were previously impossible. We're tremendously excited to give you a sneak peek of just some of the things that we've been dreaming up. So take a look.
What if all the things that we thought were impossible were suddenly possible? You could experience your favorite stories in unexpected ways. Or in unbelievable places. You could do more.
I love this with the sports.
You could be at the game without leaving your home. Or be part of the action like never before. What if you could travel on a National Geographic adventure from your couch? Or if your imaginary friends weren't quite so imaginary. What if you could bring Disney World into your world? And what if you could become a superhero and seek the answer to the ultimate question? What if?
Space, time, It's a prism of endless possibilities. Imperceptible to most, but not to you.
We're so...
Now, I'll be real, guys. Whoever made that video really deserves, like, a marketing award. Because, like, that was just, like, a fantastically put together video. Like, whoever edited that, whoever was in charge of making that video reality and making sure it was good, they deserve a reward. Because, holy shit, that is one hell of a hyped up video for that headset. But that's kind of like what I'm thinking with Disney for the future. Keep in mind that you could even wear those headsets at the park. You know, that's a big thing that people don't get. It won't be like right away, or it might be on like certain rides and stuff, you know, but that's kind of like what they're trying to do. Maybe get that where you can like wear it at the park too. You know, do it at home as well, obviously. I think that stuff looks really, really sick, you know, and they're partnering with Apple. So I haven't heard of Apple doing this with anybody else, like Warner Bros. Or anyone. So maybe they are in the background. I got no idea, but definitely something that that's just the one thing that I saw that kind of gives me like a glimmer of hope with them for the future, right? But I think they'll be all right as time goes. Man, you know, while we were watching that, the Spy, guess what it did? Absolutely nothing. Nothing. Just chopped around as per usual over the past couple of weeks. Same thing with AMD, just chopping around again. Doing nothing. Tesla's even doing nothing ahead of the event. But Tesla's actually holding up pretty well on intraday support now. Right here at 240, 250. I like that. Maybe this will be where the buyers start to finally come in today on Tesla. Citigroup is breaking 46, Sean said. Nice. VS Minecraft. That'd be pretty cool. VR Minecraft. I would love that. You can do that now, I think, on something. The Quest Pro or something like that. That's cool. Exactly, right? It is better than Meta's headsets. Way better. That makes Meta's headsets look terrible, man. Yeah, I was going to say, I figured Meta did. Also... Oh, well, Meta took over Oculus, didn't they? Who took over Oculus? Is it Meta? Pretty sure it was. Who owns Oculus? Okay, it is Meta. I thought so. I thought so. Drop the beat. Oh, yeah, for sure. For sure. We'll drop the beats. Let's go. Thanks for the reminder. All right, though. Citigroup looking good. Boeing breaking out in a big, big way as well. We talked about this high earlier today. Really getting a good move now. 227.50. See the daily chart. Oh, man. I feel like there's really no resistance up to like 230 on this, guys. This is looking awesome on Boeing. I'm not saying it's going to hit 230 today, but holy shit, it looks good. It looks fire. Can you guys keep hearing that in the background? Yeah, you definitely hear that. Zuck's explanation was too much focused on kids, but kids grow out of the demographics the fastest. Yeah. Yeah, I feel you there. With kids, it's a tough one with kids, you know, VR. I've seen a lot of kids using VR, but not the Oculus. Well, not Meta. Not Meta's headset, but... Oh my god, you guys. You guys are like, is that your lighter? Guys, it's a Glock. It's a lighter. I'm playing around with a Glock, like fiddling with it in my hands while I'm looking. Of course I keep coughing. You guys are never gonna live this down now. You guys. What am I smoking? Someone earlier said crack, so maybe it's that. Shit. Oh gosh, guys. Mike's gonna be like, Tom, what are you doing? I'm gonna be like, I swear to God, Mike, they're making it up. Mike's gonna give me a spanking later. Oh, the low graphics. I see. I see what you mean now. Yeah, Boeing's starting to trend back down now, sadly. Look at QQQ. It actually might break under low of day. That would be awesome for AMD. Let me know in the chat if you guys are still in AMD's play. I'm curious who's still in and who got out by now. I'm curious. Let me know. Let me know. Gotta see it. Right, all right. Oh. That's where I went wrong. There we go. Sorry, guys. I was looking at something for a second. Should still be pretty good on AMD, though. I don't think the stop should have been hitting too hard yet, right? Only if you would have bought in, like, right at the tippy top, but... definitely depends where you bought on this one. That's why I'm curious how you guys are looking. Jason got out. Ryan said AMD's got to break below 121. Yeah, look at it. I'm loving it. It's looking pretty good. It's been chopping around so far, but I mean, it's giving me a lot of hope here. I was a little worried about it at first, but now that it started chopping around, I like it. Like, I don't like it. I like this move now is what I'm saying. There we go. Just made a new low of day, guys. Bam, there it is. It was looking pretty good there for a sec. That's why I was curious who was still in, who was out by now. I'm not better than my creations. That's what I like about myself. Okay. Any good Theta plays? Sean said he got some money from the Square shares. Theta plays, you know, Sean? Let's look into some, because as that market starts to tank a little bit, I think there'll be some fun Theta plays coming up. Let's see PayPal today. Looking. So, Sean, I don't know how much money you got from your Square, but I mean, I'm kind of looking to short some puts here on the PayPal. Maybe do like some March 15th of 2024. Ooh, you can get some great returns on capital with this. Guys, this is actually great on PayPal. Holy shit. You can get a 30% return on capital with PayPal here. What? 30% ROC, and you're going out to something that still gives you like a 72% chance to win. At least probability out of the money is giving it that, but wow, that's not bad. I'm talking about the 50 strike puts for March 15th, 2024 are the ones I'm looking at. The 50 strike. Man, that's actually... Where's the 50 strike? All the way below the low of the year, so... The only thing that sucks is you got to kind of put up like $5,000 to make like $150 a contract, but I mean, it's not bad though. It's not terrible. Especially considering that, you know, you're looking for PayPal. If it gets down to there, you're getting it long term. Let's look at a shorter expiration on it. Maybe like January 19th, right? See that one. Yeah, the returns on capital go down so much. It's just almost not my favorite. You're talking about 10% ROCs. Zoom's a good one too. I like Zoom with the trend line here. Let's go to January 19th for them. Yeah, again, the ROC, really rough. They need to start introducing more strikes. You know, like 61, 62, 63. It still isn't $5 increments, which makes it kind of shit. I don't like that. Yeah, the December chain, the ROC is real low. Yeah. Not really worth it on this one right now. It's tough right now, Sean, because I feel like there's so many stocks like Square and all these stocks that I would love to do theta plays on are about to fall over. Maybe get into some iron condors might be the way to go right now, but honestly, in a few weeks to a couple months, once this dip occurs a little bit harder, I think we'll see some great opportunities. Great opportunities. I need to quit messing with this Glock. It's gonna... You guys are gonna be thinking I'm doing really weird stuff. Any of the Pogues fans in here, Shane McGowan died. I've never heard of the Pogues. Interesting. Shane McGowan. It's too bad. Oh, I'm looking at him right now. Okay, I know Shane McGowan. I've seen him on something. I don't know how you could forget that face. Man. Snowflake dropping. Let's see. SNOW. Hard drop. Actually. Pretty hard. Ooh, it's actually right on support, though. I have support right at 180. Not a bad area. It's starting to bounce there intraday as well. Okay, even this one's down though. I like it. Like right at the support. Might be a dip buy time here on some of these. Like there's been big drops today, but dip buy opportunity could be coming in very, very soon. Look at AMD though. AMD, let's go. Getting some good momentum. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, it's about time. QQQ's dying off. SQQQ is running, guys. SQQQ getting some good momentum coming back. You know what I'm really liking lately is UVXY. I'm starting to eye that one up a ton. Look at VIX. Damn, VIX. Tessie dipping again. Back under LOD. Kind of looks like it's going to turn back over and go lower. Tom, look at NVIDIA. Oh, wow. Let's see it. I heard it's low. Oh, yeah, it is very, very low. Down to 470. Breaking under 475. See the daily chart? Yes, NVIDIA. I love to see that. Rejecting at 500 bucks. Yeah. Yep. You guys know what this means, don't you? Time to hedge. Time to get some hedges. Hedge plays all day. Maybe I have some UVXY here, huh? Heading out to March. No volume. No one's buying March UVXY? Come on, guys. I'm just kidding. It's probably not very smart to do that. Here we go, here we go. January, it looks like, are the better ones. Pop a few of these bad boys out. Little hedge play here. UVXY, January 19th, 11 strike calls. Grabbing a little bit as a hedge. Might even add more depending on how the market moves over the next couple weeks, but... Well, not a couple weeks. I don't plan to hold that long, maybe, but... Hopefully we're about done with it by then. Definitely watching for that VIX to pop up off support, though. Let's go eye up VIX on the daily chart, guys. Look at this support on VIX. It's nuts. It's huge. It's a huge support. The support actually goes all the way back to fucking... Oh my god, 2012, 2013, holy shit. Excuse my French here, but when things excite me, I start cursing. That's a lot. NVIDIA with a 14K power on the surge bot, guys. Holy shit. Wow. 14K. That might be the highest I've seen yet. 23,000 power. That's pretty insane. Wow, what a drop. Under 470 now on this. Getting even lower. Wow, that's a good drop on NVIDIA. Keep in mind, it will start the uptrend and get a slight intraday move up at some point, but wow. Even SPY under low of day, QQQ, under low of day. AMD starting to do fantastic. Fantastic right here. Yeah, I'm with you, Sean. Just getting some ideas together for now. How do you know ROC so fast? Oh, Sean, you can plot that on Thinkorswim, actually. Here, I'll send you like a little screenshot of everything that I use on Discord. Like SM chat. Or I'll just send it to you in a private message, but... Oh, I forgot to watch that Tiger Woods chipping thing, Sean. I got busy yesterday and forgot. Last night, I actually ran to the gun store and I traded a shotgun I had in that sucked. And I bought a Glock with the money from the shotgun. So that's what you guys keep hearing, is that a Glock. I also got like a little red dot on the Glock too. It's pretty cool. Pretty nice, but it's not overly special or nothing, but hopefully nobody can rob Tom now. How's Apple? I'm curious. Okay. Doing exactly what I thought. Microsoft. Oh, Xbox. I know, right? That's why trusting your stops are good. Depending on the entry here, I'm sure some stops got hit, some stops didn't, depending on where people entered. Yeah. AMD. At least you won a little bit, though. I think you did. You said that, right? A little bit. Man, NVIDIA, I still can't believe it. 23,000 power. I cut it before stop loss to secure break even. I need to get my account out of PDT. Ooh. Are you like PDT locked, Ryan? Or do you mean like you just need to... There's actually a lot of ways to legally get around the PDT rule, Ryan. Do you know them? I'm sure you know a couple, right? If not, I can talk about them real quick. It might help somebody else out too. Pretty easy. You just get a cash account. Really all you do. Bam. Hop, skip, jump right there. Get a cash account and you're good. Ryan said, I know how to do it for spreads. Oh, you're the one who Schwab lost the $5 grand. I'll be honest with you, Ryan. I would definitely be trying to get that back if I were you. I'll take my Gerson Regard. What is that? Gerson Regard. Oh, nice. Okay. It's like a little Beretta. It looks like a Beretta clone, is what that is. That is a Beretta clone. Definitely is. Yeah, Turkish Beretta clone. That's funny. Made in Turkey. Nice. It's a pretty cool looking firearm. Okay, good, Ryan. I was gonna say, man, if they just lost $5 grand and they're just done with it, I was gonna be like, man, that's really got me pissed off. Tank Daddy says I got a couple glizzies. That's awesome. This is a G43X, Tank Daddy. The G43X. MOS. So it can have the red dot, but... looking cool. Xbox says, yup, it is my first one. Nice. Nice. That's cool. I might have to pick one of those up. Have you ever went to the range with it yet? Let me know. Boeing starting to bounce up off intraday support. It ran down a little bit. You can see that big red support line I've had plotted. Where to hit today and start bouncing right off of that. And right back up. SPY's actually coming up too. Off of 454. Nice. Moving up pretty well there. Moving up well. QQQ likes the 386 support. Let's see. QQQ. Yeah, 386.50. Let's go out to a daily on that one. Yeah. I could see it liking that. This might finally be where sentiment's shifting, guys. I was really watching QQQ to break below 388, and it finally came through today. Finally. Broke it. So let's hope that they keep going well. What? Why did Schwab tell me they don't do cash accounts? I don't know. I would have never thought that. Does Schwab do cash accounts? You know what? They might not do it. I'm getting a little bit confused now too. Cause like if I searched up like let's say I search up Robinhood cash account. You know, you click brokerage accounts, it says margin account, cash account, yada yada yada. But you Google Schwab cash account. Schwab cash account. And nothing like that comes up, so. Maybe they don't offer one. Which is honestly really, really stupid. That's honestly really stupid if they don't. I'm trying to give you a good confirmation on whether or not they do, but. I'm gonna act like I'm opening an account with them just to see what happens. You're like, let's see. So I'm making one right now. Yep, let's get started. Oh, I don't want to put all my info in though. All right, hang on. Let me put it in and just see like what happens real quick. My social security number. Oh, great. Yes, I'm in the United States. Thank you very much. Ha! They know I already have an account, so they won't let me. That's actually really weird. Do they not? You got me scratching my head right now. I'm confused. I guess they don't. Margin only. What? That's bullshit. That is bullshit. TD Ameritrade was better. I'll be honest. I have not enjoyed my Schwab switch. I'll say this, though. I haven't had, like, a big issue with it necessarily. But I just haven't enjoyed it, you know? It's not like I'm losing money because of the switch or something. Luckily, I don't got to worry about the cash account thing, but... Man, that's stupid. That's gonna... They better get that going, because that's gonna piss a lot of people off. Oscar, yeah, that sucks. Too bad. Oh, I see your dog got scared. Ah, I see Xbox. I see. Yeah, let me know, though, if you do. I'll be interested to hear about how it does. You're going to have me looking that up now tonight. Message me on Discord at like 11 p.m. I'll probably be watching that. Watching videos on the Gerson. Speaking of that, how's RGR and SWBI doing? We have not looked in on them on the daily chart in a while. Wow, RGR is down a lot. I remember them falling with earnings a few weeks ago. SWBI is holding up pretty well, though. Yeah, Rick goes, now I'm pissed. Sorry, I don't mean to piss you guys off today, but... That is stupid. Really stupid. Here, if I were you guys, here's what I would do. I would leave the minimum amount you need to use Thinkorswim. Like, I would leave like $500 in there. And I would just go get like a Webull cash account or something. Or like some other platform's cash account to use. Or hell, I mean, I don't know if these places do it, but you could switch to like Interactive Brokers, TradeStation. Man, TradeStation's awesome. I love TradeStation. One of the coolest platforms to me. As far as tools and everything, and looks, and the charts, and customability and all that. Interactive Brokers is great though too. I just don't like their charting as much. It's a little bit whack to me, but the rest of it's great. I don't know. Might be a TradeStation type of year next year. Yeah. I was thinking that too. I just didn't want anyone to use those, but that's... I feel you there, Ryan. If Amex didn't need me to keep an open brokerage account, I would have transferred it already. Oh, I didn't know that, Oscar. Interesting. So Amex makes you do that? That's weird. All right, Spy getting choppy again, man. Come on. All right, guys. I think we're going to have to end the stream here, but don't forget about the Tesla event at 3 p.m. tonight. It's going to be streaming exclusively on X, or Twitter, I guess, if you guys want to say that. But the Cybertruck event, 3 p.m. Eastern time. Be ready for it. Tesla could go nuts, or it could die, right? I'm curious which one it'll end up doing. And they're actually having the event while the market is still open, which I think that might be done by design. Don't quote me, you know, I don't know. You know, some people might say, that makes no difference, Tom. Well, I don't know. I would think maybe it being open, you know, more volume, maybe more hype if something good happens, maybe more negative if something negative happens. I'm just thinking, you know, if the market's closed, it might not move as much maybe or something, but since it's open when the event's happening, we might see something cool. So I'm pretty excited, guys. Pretty excited. Are you going live at 3? Unfortunately, Mike, I won't be able to do that one this time because it's too close to the time that we record our nightly videos. So I won't be able to this time, Mike, but I'd usually love to, though. They should have an Amex Schwab card. That'd be kind of cool. Wouldn't be too bad. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your trading day. I know AMD did pretty good now. You know, for anybody who was able to hold through that slight uptrend there, kudos to you. You got in good. But yeah, I appreciate you guys joining up today. Seriously, round of applause. Thanks for keeping up with me while I've been sick this week. Seriously, it means a lot, guys. Thanks for still being here. By the way, Tiger Woods should be coming on sometime soon, so have a great rest of the day, guys. I will talk to you later. Walk away with those profits today. You know, if you end profitable today, be happy. Don't go too crazy with Tesla. I think calls might pay off, but if you get into calls, I'm just letting you know before the event, you know, just whatever you put into it, act like you're playing roulette. Just act like it's gone. You know, just act like it's gone. If you're gonna get in, don't do it and then come into Discord later and be like, Tom said to get calls, you know. No, that's not what I mean. If you got some extra cash on the side, you know, maybe 1 or 2, if you want to gamble at it, you know, it's a very one-off type of event. It's not every day they announce a truck. So, you know, like I said, it could end up being a bad event. Just, you know, keep your risk minimalized. If you do have to play it, I won't be touching it, but have a great day, guys. See you later.